What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how to reset the oil life on a 2018 Genesis G80. Like I said, this is a 2018 G80 in the video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So after an oil change, you'll want to reset the oil life in order to accurately calculate your next oil change. And how we're going to do that is with the ignition in the on position. We'll take a look at these buttons on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. We're going to press this menu button, and we're going to keep pressing it until we get to this screen, the user settings menu. Once we're on this screen, we're going to use this button to scroll down, and we're going to keep scrolling down until we have service interval highlighted. Once service interval is highlighted, we're going to press this button in. And that's going to bring us to this screen. And on this screen, if we scroll down, we can turn the service interval reminders off right here. Or if we scroll down, we can adjust them here. This oil change is set at 5,000 miles or 6 months. I'm just going to leave it at that. So in order to reset it, we want to scroll down till we have reset highlighted, and then we're going to press OK. And then it's just asking you, do we want to reset? And when yes is highlighted, press OK. And that's it. As you can see there, it reset to 5,000 miles, 6 months. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.